Hi everyone, I think I'm going to make the most important video right now on IQAS. The lots of people have this doubt, and rightly so. They cannot see the submit button on their payment page, and when they enter at 8:15, it takes them a while to get the submit button, and by that time, the portal is closed and the daily limit has been reached. So today I'm going to guide you through it step by step, and I'll tell you what to do. So I'm going to put this in the description as well, but pay attention to what I'm going to say, and I'm sure that you will definitely uh, see the results, and you definitely get the results. So what you're going to do is you are going to first of all, like I always say, never ever do time conversion according to your country. You go to timemade.com and you type Alberta here and you get the Alberta clock. You follow that to the T and you follow that to the bits because that's what you're supposed to do and that's how it should be. So you follow the clock and exactly so what you'll do is you should already be on the sign-in page before 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. Alberta time. So what we are going to do is I'm going to sign out. Yeah. So you should be here when you are, before 8 o'clock, before 8 a.m. Alberta time. And exactly at 080000, you have to, with your credentials, I'm sorry, with your credentials, sign in. Once you sign in, of course, if you're at the payment page, you have already created, if you're at the payments page, you have already created your draft. So you go to your draft and go to one of them and have all of this filled beforehand, which you will have already because you've created your draft. Straight away go to the payment page. You do save and next on the first payment sheet. And then at the final one, what you do is you basically press, first you click on preview my application and then you press Control Shift I. And when you do that, you get something like this. You get something like this. Don't bother about what I just did there. Just follow this. You go to network and then you press F5. When you do that, you get these things, you know. And one of those options out of all of this, one of those options is reach daily limit. So you double click, sorry, you right click on it and you get this option which says block request URL. So you click on that. Once you do that and then come and press F5 one more time, you will see the submit button. So what you have to do is now you have to take this URL and instead of opening it in the beginning, opening 5 tabs in the beginning, you open it now. So I'm going to show you with 3 tabs. Please open 5 tabs. It's in the interest of time. I'm going to open only 3 tabs right now. When you're doing it, please feel free to open 5 tabs because it will increase your chances. And once you're here, then you should just do the same thing over here. Control Shift I. Sorry about that. Control Shift I. And you will see all of this is open. You press F5, basically repeat the process, and you go to this, and you go to this, just repeat the process with the other 4 tabs as well. Okay. So once you're here, now what you have to do is at exactly 8:50. So I've been logged out. Extremely sorry about that. I've been logged out because I think I have crossed my time limit for login. Because I have been fiddling with it for quite some time. So I may have just gotten signed out because of that. What you have to do is you have to Now let me just quickly tell you. So once you have reached on this page, the submit page, you have to basically go to, okay, so at exactly 8:14:40, then 8:14:45, 8:14:50, 8:14:55, and 8:15:01, you have to click on submit button on each of your tabs. Okay. So before you click, obviously before you click the submit button, all your preview schedule will have been done. So that's what you have to follow. And I'm telling you guys, you will get through, and you can ask me questions. You can get in touch with me through my email ID, which I will put in my under my video in the description, and I will also put this process in the description. So thank you so much for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe. Sorry for the little bit of a hasty thing here because it's not 8. I would love to do one video live at 8:15 a.m. Alberta time. Let me see if I can do that. Otherwise, you can anyway take a look at this. Thank you.